It's March the 28th in the Ghana Premier League. We're playing against Asante Kotoko. Preparation so far.
Oh, we are doing our normal preparation that we do for our matches. So we are only preparing for them.
But coach, how is the players feeling again after beating Dreams FC?
Oh, I think they are doing well, and everybody is fighting to get a position in the team. So there's competition in the team. When you get a team and there's competition in the team, when everyone's playing, he goes all out to give his maximum best. So I think it's a very good team for the club.
Okay, coach. Looking at your last 3 games, you've won all with a goal to zero. How are you going to talk about your players, especially the strikers striking ability?
Oh, I would say it's not bad. Every game, no, where we've reached in the league now, the league is very competitive. Every match is a tough match. So when you go in, don't expect to go and bang him. You go, you get your goal, make sure you defend it. So once they are able to get a goal for us and we are able to defend it, it's okay. We don't put pressure on them to get more. When opportunity comes for them to score more goals, they will do it. But if it doesn't come, they score, we have to defend it for them.
In the first round, you were able to beat Asante Kotoko by 2 goals to 0. Again, you are playing the second round. What are you telling your fans?
The first round is gone. You know, every game, every competition, the second round is very, very tough. So, and they went to Accra. They lost heavily to Accra Lions, so they want to redeem their image. So it's not going to be easy. It's going to be a very, very tough game. We'll see how best we can hold them to get our maximum points.
Thank you so much, coach.
Thank you.